Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about simple present. Simple present has got so many uses, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the first 5 uses. This will be part 1 on present simple. Are you ready? Let's get started. Use number 1, habits. Simple present describes actions that happen regularly, repeatedly, or habitually. For example, I brush my teeth every day, or he goes to work on foot. These 2 examples show that brushing teeth and going to work happen repeatedly. Think of things you do every day, every week. These are habits, and we use simple present to talk about them. 2. Facts and general truth. Simple present is used to state things that are always true, facts about the world, or general statements. For example, the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These are facts that never change. You always see water boil at 100 degrees. You never ever see the sun rise in the west. It's impossible. 3. We use simple present with state verbs. Here, it describes states of being and conditions that are permanent or long-lasting. These are often about feelings, thoughts, positions, etc. Here is a list of state verbs. Sensory and linking verbs. Seem, sound, appear, notice, observe. For example, that offer sounds tempting. We don't use ing, we use the base verb. Verbs for expressing feelings and emotions. Like, love, hate, dislike, prefer, fear, mind, respect, wish, desire, want. For example, I love your hat. You don't hear someone say, I'm loving. Of course, we can say, I'm loving something, but in very specific situations, which we won't deal with now. Verbs of mental processes. Agree, believe, forget, know, mean, realize, remember, suppose, understand. For example, I remember what you said. 4. Possessive verbs. Contain, consist, belong, own, possess. And there are some other verbs. Finish, matter, depend. This use describes things that are true about someone or something right now and likely to stay that way. Use number 4. Timelines and schedule. Fixed events in the future, particularly those related to schedules, timelines, or plans that are already made. For example, the train leaves at 8 a.m. The plane arrives tomorrow. These are events that are planned and will happen at a specific time. We use the present tense even though the event is in the future. Use number 5. Instructions and directions. It's used to give instructions, directions, or commands. You order someone to do something. For example, open the book. It can be a request if it's followed by please. Mix the ingredients well, please. Turn to page 10. Alright guys, these were 5 most common uses of present simple. This is the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it. I will make another video about the other uses of present simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Love you guys. See you next time.